How to see who shared my post on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, you will learn how to see if somebody has shared your post. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Instagram app, then tap onto your profile on your bottom right. It will show you the home page where you can see all the posts that you have shared till today. Tap on anyone that you would like to see, and in here tap on the three dot icon just above the post. Here tap on to view insights, and just like so, if somebody has shared your post, you will be able to see the number just beside the arrow icon, and this is how you know it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.